Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayushi, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that. For today's video, we are going to do some talking. We are going to talk about our favorite skincare brand. I'm going to talk about a skincare brand that I've been loving lately, and you must have guessed it from the title of the video. It's none other than Dot & Key. So if you have watched my previous video, which was my Nykaa haul, you would know that I bought bunch of products from Dot & Key, and I was also using one of their product even before that. So I'm going to talk about these products because trust me, these products are great. They are inexpensive but very effective, and trust me, we all want that for our skin. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, before we begin with the products that I have to show you, let's just talk a little about the brand. It's an Indian skincare brand. If you have used or seen their products, you will know that their packaging is super cute. Their packaging is A1, and also their product smells divine. Like, I cannot stress enough on this part, but all of their products, they smell super nice. They will leave you with calming and soothing, very soothing effect. You will feel relaxed after putting any of the products, trust me. And also they're super affordable. I don't know how they do it. They are super effective. They work wonderfully on all skin type. They have a product for each and every skin type and each and every skin issue, and they use some amazing ingredients in their products, and yet they're very affordable. I don't know how they do it, but yeah. So without any more delay, let's just start talking about the products that I have. Now, the first product that I'm going to talk about is their clay mask. They have recently launched their new range of clay masks, and if you haven't tried that, and if you are a fan of clay masks, trust me, go ahead and get yourself one. I picked up their anti-pollution acne defense green clay mask. It is the best green clay mask that I've used. It has matcha in it, that is why the green color, and it has such a calming and cooling effect. I remember the moment I put it on, I felt so relaxed. It was so calming, and it has a cooling effect which calms your skin. If you have any irritation or any sort of redness on your skin, it will calm that down, and it will also fight your acne. I don't really have any acne, but I was really excited to try the green clay mask, so that is why I picked it. The other day, my mom was not feeling well, and I don't know why I felt like putting this on her, and the moment she put this on, she felt so relaxed that she went right to sleep. I had to literally wake her up that, "Mom, go and wash your face, it's already 15 minutes. Once you're done with your 15 minutes of putting this on, your skin will feel relaxed, your skin will feel nice, soft, supple, and yeah, that's how great this product is. So this is the first product that I wanted to talk about. The second product that I have with me is their vitamin C serum. Now, if you don't know how important vitamin C is in your beauty regime, please go on Google and read that. I think I'm a little biased towards this product because this is a game changer for me. Ever since I started using this product, I have actually felt a significant reduction in my pores. I have open pores here, and this actually helps with that. I actually look forward to my nighttime skincare routine now because of this product, because it smells so nice. After a long day, you just want to wash your face and put this on, and trust me, you will feel really nice because of the smell, and also because what it does to your skin. Now, you can use vitamin C twice a day and night, but I only use it once. I use it before I go to bed. I drench my skin with this product, and the next morning when I wake up, my skin is so supple, so soft, so shiny, so bright. And also I have open pores here, and that is something that I struggle with. I don't really have anything else going on my skin, touch wood, but I do suffer from pores here, and this is something that used to bug me, but this product has really helped me with that. The moment you put it on, and when your skin has completely absorbed the product in, you will feel some sort of mattifying effect. You won't feel your pores, and I thought it was just me, but I actually recommended this product to a friend, and trust me, he has to say the same things about what I am telling you guys right now. It sort of mattifies your skin, it reduces your pores, and it also makes it shiny and glowing from within. So if you are on a lookout for a great serum which is affordable and which will also work on your skin, trust me, go for vitamin C serum from Dot & Key. You can also try vitamin C from other brands as well, but this is amazing. Now the last product that I'm going to talk about is their Hydro Peel Glow Potion. Why I like this product is because it has 10% AHA and 10% BHA. If you don't know what AHA and BHA are, they are alpha hydro acid and beta hydro acid. These are the kind of acids which are actually good for your skin. I know when you hear the word acid, you will become a little skeptical of trying out these products, but trust me, these acids are really good for your skin. Ever since I turned 25, I'm 25 by the way, I decided that I want to start chemical exfoliation. I want to get onto a journey of chemical exfoliation, and I want to try out all these amazing products that are there out in the skin. So I decided to start my journey with this product because it only has 10% of AHA and BHA, and you can actually use this product and AHA and BHA together only because it has 10% of each. So you don't really have to worry about if it will irritate your skin or if you will feel a certain kind of irritation when you put this on. You will not. There is no irritation whatsoever. I actually saw somebody's video and I thought that it's going to tingle a bit and it will have a tingling sensation, but I didn't feel anything. So I use this product twice a week. I put it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then I wash it off. Now if you are a fan of exfoliators and scrubs and you like to go and scrub your face and you feel that it's actually helping you, trust me, it is only going to help you or show you results for a day or two, and then it will just fade away. But this product would actually seep into your skin. It will go deep inside your skin and will remove the dead skin and will leave room for your new glowing healthy skin to take its place. So try out these products. These are amazing, and if you want more information on chemical exfoliation and things like that, you can go on to Google, just write chemical exfoliation or AHA and BHA, and you will know the benefits and how good are these acids for your skin. So yeah, that's all about it. And also I forgot to mention, as usual, this product smells divine. It has grapefruit in it, so I think that's why it smells so nice. But I think all of the Dot & Key products and the products that I showed you today in this video, all of them smells divine. All of them have a great smell. They have a very calming, very soothing and very relaxing effect. So now you know the benefits and why I'm using this product and why am I loving this brand lately. All of their products are amazing. If you haven't checked it out or if you haven't tried any of their products, I would urge you, please go ahead and order yourself any of the products. You can start with their toners, you can start with their moisturizer, you can start with their mask, but trust me, go and get your hands on any of their products and it's going to actually make you feel that you were missing out on something. So this was it for today's video, I guess, and I hope you liked the video. I hope this was a little informative for you. If you like the video, please go ahead, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next. Bye.